Alright guys, so I made some tutorial before now talking about Cpanel and how to walk through. But if you remember, when you have your Cpanel details, which I've shown you how to get it, you remember that you have some sort of numbers and other digits forming your password. How about you changing that password to something amazing or something that you can easily remember? So this is what this tutorial is all about, and we're going to work on that very quickly. Okay, so here we have Cpanel details. As you can see, we have some numbers and digits which probably you wouldn't remember except you copy to maybe a notepad or something. So now you want to change this to your regular password that you can easily remember anywhere, anytime. So let's go ahead and do this. So go back to all you need to do is go to your Cpanel, which of course you know how to get that. Type in your domain name /Cpanel like I have here, and hit the enter key. And once this is fully loaded, all you need to do is provide the Cpanel details that you had from your hosting domain like I already have here. Then I'll just log in, and to change the Cpanel password, then over onto this place where you have your username here at the top, as you can see here, click on it and then click on password and security, and then you'll be asked to type in your old password here. Type in your old password, then enter a new password here, and then of course you do what? Change your password. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have my old password. I'm just going to type it here, and then I'm going to type something new. Say okay, so I have something like this. Okay, then change your password. And that does it. Success. The browser is now redirecting. All I have to do is go back and log in with the new details because I'll be logged out. So come back to this place and type in my new password. And log in, and boom, my password is changed. Alright, that was a simple tutorial, a very quick one on how to change your Cpanel password. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you are new to this channel so that you can always get notification of my videos. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.